about mean median mode, but more interesting. Today is 6th August and time is 10:10, and we are having an MBA IB SMDM class. Okay, before we begin, any questions? Anyone?
In last class, when we were discussing about kurtosis, actually, sir, can you tell us what kurtosis exactly show or what kurtosis
Wait.
exactly means?
We did not discuss. I just mentioned kurtosis and skew. We will come to skewness and kurtosis later. Okay, we will come to a separate topic. It will come in measurement of variable t. Now, right now we are a measure of central tendency. Yeah. Anyone else? Okay, so let's figure this out. Yesterday we drew a histogram on the Excel sheet. Today just focus on the board. It's a small board, but still it works. This is what a histogram look like. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this is the width, okay? Is this fine? If this is the
Yes, sir.
width, this complete will be how much? $4W. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many of you do not know anything about integration and differentiation? Bhai, let's check. 1 minute. Admit. Some people raised hand. Admit all. हाथ रेज किया है किसी ने? हाथ कैसे पता लगता है? Open queue. Okay, so this many. Okay, there are around some people who do not know. So let's go back to the board. Okay, so now suppose if this is W, let's talk about particular rectangle. Okay, and this is Y. So can we say the area of this strip is Y into W? This one.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes,
strip
sir.
1. Yeah, बोलो कौन बोल रहा है? Yeah, go ahead. Anybody was saying something? Yeah, so this is first strip, तो इसका area y है. Now suppose this length is y1 and this length is y2 and this length is y3 and this length is y4. So can we say total area is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 into W?
Yes, sir. We can say that.
Anybody has doubt? The total area. I will come to why we are talking about area right now. Can we talk about that? Hello, anyone?
Yes, sir. We can say that it will be the area of the whole histogram.
हाँ, आप तो ठीक है. जिसको इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. Those who raised hand. I assume everybody understood this. Okay. Now, अभी ध्यान से देखिए. अब मैं W को बहुत छोटा कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, आई विल रिड्यूस इट टू वेरी स्मॉल, W टेंड्स टू 0. ठीक है, सो कैन आई से इफ देर इज अ ग्राफ, ये भी एक तरह से ग्राफ ही है देखा जाए तो. ओके, सो इफ दिस अ ग्राफ at this point x, this is f of x, this length, can I say that? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have already said we are talking of w, so f of x into w summation will be the area under the curve at each and every x. X is varying from this point to this point, so let's say x1 to x2, so we say x is equal to x1 to x2. समझ में आ रहा है? Sorry, I think you cannot,
Yes, sir.
you cannot see this. Sorry. So yeah, let me write it here because I think it's not visible. Summation fx w from x1 to x2. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes,
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सोच लो. Again think about this and I will just go ahead.
Sir, not in that mode. Please revert it.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, who said no? Who said no? Nayan. Yeah, Nayan. So what's the problem? कहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको? Hello, somebody said no. Whoever said no, so till what point you understood?
Sir, figure नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. क्यों रहा हूँ?
अच्छा ठीक है, आपको ये समझ में आ गया ना y1w वाला, ये वाला?
Yes.
ठीक है, स्मॉल बोर्ड बट ठीक है. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट एनी कंटिन्यूअस ग्राफ. ठीक है, अभी तक हम हिस्टोग्राम की बात कर रहे थे. अगर आप हिस्टोग्राम को पतला कर देंगे ना तो यू विल ग्राफ अ ग्राफ. ठीक है, सो सपोज एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ x दिस वैल्यू is fx. ठीक है, वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ fx का मतलब ये होता है जैसे y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट, सो वी से fx इज इक्वल टू दिस. ठीक है, और द वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन एट x. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो अगर हमने जैसे W की बात करी थी, तो वी कैन से एरिया ऑफ दिस लिटिल बिट, दिस वन इज fx W. ठीक है, कैन वी से दैट? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
पता ही नहीं है तो
क्या कह रही हैं आप? हेलो, वर यू टॉक?
We are not able to see the board.
ओ सॉरी. हाँ, आप ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so do you understand this is fx, this is w, so this strip becomes fxw. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now as we have talked about, suppose we have to calculate the area from x equal to 1 from x equal to 2. So we can say summation fx w from x varying from x1 to x2, क्योंकि आप बार बार ऐड कर रहे हैं ना हर x पे, तो fx1 पर, fx2 पर, fx3 पर, मतलब जितने भी x1 आएंगे, मतलब यहाँ से x1 1.1, समझ रहे हैं यार? ये कौन एंट्री मारता है एंड में? इट्स लाइक डीप रॉय, भाड़ में जाइए, बैठा रहे बाहर। हाँ, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
Yes, sir.
नाउ
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि ये W बहुत छोटा है, इसको हम W ना कह के वी से इट एज dx, ठीक है? ओके,
Yes, sir.
and then the area of curve becomes so अगर तो this is the area under this curve x1 into x fx dot dx integral. Integral is summation, you have to understand. Integral is nothing else but summation. अभी we are not going in too much detail. Did you understand this or not? पहले बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who said no can raise their hand.
Sir, please repeat the last line what you just said. Actually, there was a network issue, so.
हाँ, no problem. So if there is a graph fx means this graph, okay, and you want to find the area between these two interval x1 and x2, then you say the area under this curve is fx dot dx, we replace w by dx, very small element x, then we go for an integration, summation, instead of summation we say integration from x1 to x2 integral fx dx. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will come to the bigger point, why I am talking about this. ये अभी आप समझ लीजिए, इसको पार्क कर लीजिए, we will use this later, but just wait right now. So yesterday we said, suppose there are data of 3, 4, 5, 10, 19, 20, तो हमें इसका एवरेज निकालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 into 4, 3,
3 plus 4.
we will summation everything and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's talk in a graph way. So first element is 3, second element is 4, second another element is 6, another element is, let's say, 8, one was 10 and one was 19. ठीक है? We have sorted this out. मतलब ठीक है, वैसे भी ऐसे भी हो सकता है, बीच में भी हो सकता है, let's put it that way, or let's for complication we can take it, this is 19 and this is 8, ठीक है? So we have 6 dots.
Yes, sir.
Now अब यहाँ थोड़ा वो आएगा, that assuming all, if you pick one of them, there are 6 elements, what are the chances that you might pick 11 out of these?
1 by 6.
And by 6.
6C1.
How much?
6C1.
6C1 is number of cases, not the number of chances completely. So 6C1 is fine.
1 by 6.
हाँ
1 by 6 is the probability.
हाँ, so 1 by 6 is the probability of this event. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
1 by 6 is the probability of this event. So we can say 1 by 6 into 3 plus 1 by 6 into 4 plus 1 by 6 into dot 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 till 18. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
That's 8.
Yeah? Hello?
So 1 by 6 into 8 or 18?
18. Sorry, 8. I'm just putting dot dot in between. It's like I'm not putting all of them. 3, 4, 6, 10, 11. So there's multiple elements.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So we can say that probability of element x1 into x1 plus probability of value x2 into x2 into probability of n into xn. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Now, having said this, so we are saying probability of pi into xi. This is the average.
Visible mean.
So it's not visible.
Sorry. This is the average. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, let's put it loud. Let's again verify. Suppose I say you have got 100 marks and you have got 50 marks and you have got 80 marks. The way this is 4 credit, this is 5 credit and this is 6 credit. What is the average? What is the average of this? This is weightage and this is score. Yeah, anyone?
So we will multiply the score by the weight and then divide by the total weight.
अरे यार पूरी कहानी बताओ तुम. 100 into क्या होगा?
100 into 4, sir. Plus 50 into 5.
है ना? पूरा 100
plus
into 4 divide by what?
15, sir.
Plus
50 into 5 divided by 15.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और what else?
18
So
to
plus
3.
divided by 15, sir.
If you see, if we say this is element 1 and this is element 2 and this is element 3, so we can say the probability of element 1 is 4 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the probability of element 2 is 5 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this okay, so please understand this. This always holds true. Okay.
Sir, you have written this PI and X. I just wanted to know this I represents basically the average or is it something else?
ith is the I is the xth element. और जैसे this is I said 100, तो यहाँ पर xi is 100, x1 is 100, this is x1, I said 50, x2, okay, and let's say 60, then x3. ठीक है? Okay, so you can also interpret average as probability of an event happening. समझ रहे हो? Probability of a particular ith event happening. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, we have not yet integrated things. We have to understand gradually, step by step. Now here we comes to the concept of probability distribution function. किसी ने पहले कुछ सुना है इसके बारे में?
Yes, sir.
What have you heard about this? Yeah, go ahead. मतलब guess तो बोल दिया, आगे में तो बताओ. Yeah, go ahead. What have you heard about it?
Sir, it is probability distribution function.
Which is?
So in this we try to find the we make the tabulation using frequencies, and then we take the occurrence, like chances of occurrence of that, and then we do the calculation.
Anybody else?
So
with
with the help of PDF function, we can calculate probability of continuous varying data.
Okay, so if you understand, we drew a graph, okay, and we said at a particular x, this could be fx. ठीक है? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now this fx is like frequency, because if you see in the earlier question, the weights were also like frequency, but those frequency can also be translated into numbers as probabilities. So if you have 100, you have 100 and the frequency is 15, and if you have 200 and the frequency is 20, ideally you are saying the probability of 100 happening is 15 by 35 and the probability of 200 happen is 20 by 35. ठीक है? So the frequency ultimately translated into a probability. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ultimately histogram is also a probability distribution function. We don't call it because उसको हमने fraction में बात नहीं करी होती. ठीक है? Now you have to understand what is probability. Probability is likelihood of an event happening, of an event happening among the given events, among the all given events. I hope किसी न probability they must have touched in their 10th, 11th, 12th class, because that's what I think probability is touched upon, or maybe even the preparation of CAT. Was that so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Now, if we have a probability function, so the probability of, what is the probability of all events happening?
One.
One.
So that means summation of probability of all event happening. So we say summation fx is equal to 1. In a little understanding, we won't say okay, this is wrong understanding. That the complete area under this curve, if it is a probability function, continuous and variable, okay, then we will have the area as 1, everything combined.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Please raise hand. I am just seeing the hands. Okay, if everybody is clear. Now we will come to our mean median mode in this context. So, median is, suppose of a continuous variable x is a such that 0 to a fx dx is equal to 1 by 2. समझ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Now why I am saying 0? Because I am assuming the least value is 0. If your data is from minus infinity to plus infinity, you will say from minus infinity to till a, or till a to infinity. Either this interval or this interval is half. I am not putting it 0. Suppose we have a curve which is stretching from y is equal to x square, okay, and x is ranging from minus 2 to 2 or minus 2 to 3, let's say that, okay. Then you will say x square integral minus 2 to a dx is equal to a to 3 x square dx.
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the lower limit to the median and the median to the higher limit is equal and is equal to 1 by 2. So in this way we find median of a continuous graph. ये question कल इसलिए आया था because suppose you do not know the points and you are given a function, or you are given points and you derive a function from that curve fitting करके. So you have to verify by curve fitting कि curve fitting अगर ये है, so median is coming this much by a graph, by the simple calculation. Same median or roundabout median should come from this. Okay?
So can you explain this once again?
अच्छा रुक जाओ. इसका मतलब समझ में आया? ये लोअर लिमिट है, ये हायर लिमिट है.
Yes, sir. ये समझ में आ गया.
तो अगर मीडियन a है, so minus 2 to a will be equal to x, sorry, मतलब x square dx है इस केस में, not always x but fx dx will be equal to a to 3 x square dx, and both will be equal to 1 by 2. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, that is what we are saying. So this is the way you find a median of a continuous function.
Sir, I have a question.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, in this graph y is equal to x square, so we are considering x square as a probability function.
Yes, you can.
So because sir, we are taking as a
हाँ,
like a is
okay. I will come to that कि y x square is probabilities cannot be more than 1 and it is x square. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
है ना? You understand that?
Yes.
So even if you don't assume it is a probability, ठीक है? Even if you don't consider a probability and y is equal to x square will be like this, yeah. So what we are trying to say, there is a area, or there is a, we have to find 50% values. What is the aim? Y equal to x square will be like this, from -2 to +3. Okay, so our aim is to find a point where we have less than 50% of the values.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so हमें वो नहीं पता है. So पहली चीज़ ये है, we are assuming, अगर हम इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, this is equal to 1. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can have a constant here. We will not talk about that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we are also trying to say कि हमें एक ऐसा point चाहिए जो ऐसा हो कि उसके इधर का डेटा और इधर का डेटा 1 हो. ठीक है?
Sir, please put the board down, sir. We can't see.
-2 to a x square dx plus a to 3 x square dx. I've done nothing. I've just explained this. -2 to a to 3. ठीक है? Hello.
Sir, it should be
Yes, sir.
half in place of 1.
नहीं, अभी I am saying a. You can say this way. We are not.
Yes, sir.
saying,
It can be.
we can say this. Now.
Sir, in the right hand side of the equation, it should be half.
नहीं, I am saying plus this is equal to 1. -2 to a x square dx plus a to 3 x square dx is equal to 1, because we have assumed that -2 to 3 x square dx is equal to 1. I have just expanded this equation. मैंने अभी a को कुछ कहा ही नहीं है. Now I will come to a bigger point.
Yes, sir.
Now this a does not need to be median always. This a could be 30%, 20%, 40%, whatever be the a is, you put that in that ratio, these values. A is the point where you have 30% data. Suppose we say कि भाई we want to know how many people are less than, at what point 30% data are coming. So you say that this should be 0.3 and this should be 0.7. If we say we have to find 30% cutoff. ठीक है? Is that correct? नहीं, रुक जाओ. Okay, this is correct. This is fine.
Sir, we can't see.
This is fine.
Yes, sir.
Now we are saying A is a cutoff. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now if A is a cutoff across 30% data, then you say this value should be 0.3 if A is a cutoff is 30%. If you say the cutoff is of 40%, then this value should be
0.4.
0.4. Okay? In this way you can go up. So median is a cutoff of 50%. Hence you will say 0.5, 0.5. Main thing is to understand this, that how do we find certain percentage of data to the left, to the right. अब you can say सर नहीं x square dx इंटीग्रल -3 to a करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. आई ऑल्सो सेट कि यहाँ पर एक k भी लेंगे. ओके, बिकॉज वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि कंप्लीट डेटा इज 1. ठीक है, यू कैन पुट 100 ऑल्सो. लॉजिक समझ रहे हो?
Yes.
I am not saying today कि x square dx -2 to 3 is 1. I am not saying that. I am saying assuming this area is 100%. Assuming this data is 100%. ठीक है?
Yes.
I need
Yes,
to
sir.
find a 50% cutoff or 30% cutoff or 40% cutoff. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Hence, it is not a probability function.
Okay.
Okay, what I tried to say that average is summation of a probability of a event by itself. ठीक है? Probability into event, summation of that. We came till that point of time. Okay?
सर लास्ट वाला समझ में नहीं आया.
ये समझ में आया कि I am not saying -2 to 3 x square dx is equal to 1. I am not saying that. I am saying it was 100%. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So therefore somebody asked me, sir, is there a probability function? I said no. Probability function जब मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा था, I said to you that to find an average you can also say average. It's summation. देखो, if there are multiple probabilities, तो summation pi कितना होगा?
1.
1. लेकिन अगर आप उसी pi को xi से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये समेशन आपको एवरेज देगा.
Yes, sir.
That's all I was trying to tell you.
Okay.
ओके, तो डू नॉट अज्यूम कि वो आपका वो है. ठीक है? हेलो हेलो. अरे यार इन लोग को क्या करें? ठीक है? अरे
Yes, sir.
भाई, नाउ अगेन भाई कौन है? आई डोंट हैव दैट मच कंट्रोल. How will I identify?
Sir, you can note from your end.
Who is that person? That is what I'm thinking.
You can note from your end.
Ayush Shukla.
Sneha.
Ayush Shukla? No, you are Ayush Shukla, I suppose. Just a second. Can you see my screen? Hello, can you hear? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen now? So we said pi summation is 1. We also said pi into xi summation is average. That's all. And the earlier case, we just assume it is 100% data, and how do we find a median? Okay, chalo. Now, how do we calculate a mode? What is mode here?
Highest
Mode is
frequency.
generally the highest.
The highest point of that graph.
So can we say the mode is a maxima?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it translates to a problem that you are finding a maximum of a function.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, does the non-commerce, non-engineer, or whatever should I say, they know how to find a maximum of a curve?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. अच्छा ठीक है, we will come to that. So just hold it. So mode is maxima point. ठीक है? Mode is a maxima point. Now you can have multiple maxima point. That means it is bimodal or trimodal. That is not a point. Mode is a maximum point. Okay.
Sir, can it be called that if probability function is symmetrical, then mode and median coincide?
यार वो तो फिर है ही बात. That is there. Okay. That is there
Yes, sir.
yesterday as we talked about.
सर वो तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का बात हो गई.
अब उसने सिमेट्रिकल बोल दिया ना. सिमेट्रिकल में बराबर ही होगा. सिमेट्रिकल का मतलब ही यही है कि आगे पीछे एक बराबर है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो रहा है.
No, sir.
नो सर.
I am teaching you which something I did not teach you last year. Because last year it was such a confusing thing. I had one section with me, another section was somebody else. So मुझे पता नहीं कितना पढ़ाऊँ. So I kept the course to minimum.
Sir, and mode we find with maxima and minima.
हाँ अभी रुक जाओ यार. We will come to that because उसमें आपको मुझे derivation पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. What is a derivative? अभी आप इसको इतना याद रखो that mode is a maxima. That's it. How do we come to a maxima? That we will talk about in next class. ठीक है. Because जैसे मैंने आपको इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ाया है, मुझे आपको डिफरेंशिएशन ही पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. अभी हमने कुछ सॉल्व नहीं किया. अभी we just say this to this lower limit to a is fx dx is equal to a into upper limit fx dx. This is our median. That's all. ठीक है. अभी I have not told you how to find this. ठीक है. हेलो.
यस सर.
Yes.
So we are अभी कंसेप्चुअल चीज़ पे आ रहे हैं हम लोग. इंटीग्रेशन जिसको आता है ठीक है, नहीं आता है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. That's not an issue. Now coming back to average. ठीक है. So we said average is summation of probability of an event into the event itself. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Now if you are given a probability distribution function, if you are given a probability distribution function, this will be fx.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
And we will have a x multiplied already ऊपर से at that x.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
And we also said summation की जगह हम इंटीग्रल लगा देते हैं. This is our e. ठीक है.
Yes.
आज के लिए इतना ही है. This is good enough for today. I am not saying that you have understood everything, but this is something which will help you to understand. Okay. Therefore, those who want to study, they can try to understand average or expectation. This is called expectation, or this is called average, whatever you the word uses. Expectation of a continuous variable or continuous function. They can study this. ठीक है. Because this was a new concept completely. Okay.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?